I'm here covering the trial of the millennium. After 400 years of slavery, Jim Crow, segregation, and rampant discrimination, African Americans are suing the U.S. Department of Justice for reparations and damages. The amount could be in the several trillions of dollars. Nobody in the history of this country has ever brought a lawsuit of this magnitude. There are supposed to be iconic time travel witnesses. It's going to get interesting. The litigants are entering the courtroom now. I'll be back.
Sing it with me. Yeah, it's the land of the spirit poor and the dollar rich. Profit chips off of work daddy and mama did. Took out books when we tried to improve scholarship.
Pop the champagne. We're gonna celebrate a victory tonight. I'm going to crush Crump.
Mr. Hahn.
Hi, Thaddeus. Your shoes untied. At least this time they're matching.
That's funny. From a guy wearing a skinny leg suit like you.
Real funny. Tell your gal not to speak to me. Her mother used to be the help for my family, and I was told never to fraternize with
Look, she's a prominent physician who just happened to save your father's life, and you don't talk to her that way. Next time you talk to anybody like that, you're gonna get crippled.
Don't touch me. See you in court, Thaddeus.
Grandfather clauses took our voice in their politics. So now I'm blindly loyal to a party, but I don't examine agendas to see if they are for me. But after years of lies, it's all the same words. Left wing or right wing still attached to the same bird. So now it's time to change up the manuscript. It's time to take flight from the landing strip. Break bread at the table of companionship. Put together all these pieces that we've managed with.
Fellas, I'm aware of the altercation between the two of you outside of the courthouse. Now, you muckers better get it together. You're supposed to be professional. Stop acting like unruly kids. Now, if you don't get it together, I'm going to levy a fine against the both of you. Both of you. The likes of which Oprah Winfrey or Bill Gates will not be able to pay. Now, do you feel me? Do you feel me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the case of African American people versus the Department of Justice of the United States. The Honorable Judge William J. Henry presiding. All rise. You may be seated. Please be seated. Your Honor, this is the case 212-020, the African American people of the United States versus the United States Department of Justice.
Thank you, bailiff. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, during this trial, evidence will be presented from which you must determine the facts.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but I can't let you in.
Oh, no, will you check me?
There's an age restriction, and there are things that are going to be seen and heard today that are just too horrific for you.
Dude, Black history is my history. Everything that they talking about in there, it affects me and my generation directly, so I don't understand why I can't go in.
Yeah, that may be true, but I still can't let you in.
Yo, we already ain't got no leaders. Everybody dead. How I'm supposed to eat if I can't even get a seat at the table?
I understand your concern, ma'am, but I still can't let you in.
See, that's why we in this situation we in now.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Attorney Black and Attorney Crump, I take it you're representing the plaintiff.
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Attorney Hung and Attorney Walsh, are you representing the Department of Justice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Please be seated. Now, counselors, are there any preliminary motions that you wish to make at this particular point in time?
Yes, Your Honor. The defendant, the United States of America, moves to dismiss this case in its entirety. No trial should occur.
Attorney Crump, would you like to be heard with respect to this motion?
I absolutely would, Your Honor. We completely object to this motion and wish to be heard.
I can't say I'm surprised, Attorney. Attorney Hung, please proceed with your motion, and then we will hear from Attorney Crump.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, Mr. Till, That was quite a story. I have a few questions. You are from up north, correct? Illinois?
Yes, sir, I am.
And you were very excited. Very excited to go down to Money, Mississippi to see your Uncle Mose Wright. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, I was.
Now, didn't your mother tell you that the rules in the South were very different than the rules in the North? That there was a certain code of conduct that you had to follow while you were down there?
Yes, sir, she did. But I kind of understood.
She did. And is it true that while you were down there, you were showing a picture of you alongside white children?
Yes.
And that you were bragging.
It wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. I wasn't
Objection, Your Honor. Mr. Hung is now harassing the witness.
Objection sustained.
Let's cut to the...
After 400 years of slavery, Jim Crow, segregation, African Americans are suing the U.S. Department of Justice for reparations and damages.
Let's deliberate these facts. Now, the Justice Department is against African Americans.
The amount could be in the several trillions of dollars.
The United States does not look kindly upon individuals who do such acts.
And as I sat here, I realized he is Trayvon Martin, and Trayvon Martin is him.
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to bring in Alita Ross, a.k.a. Harriet Tubman.
They're supposed to be iconic time travel witnesses.
Over the past 400 years of denying people a fair hearing.
Unless the government agrees to be sued, it can't be. And guess what? The government does not agree. So case closed.
If you enjoyed this trailer, please help me by spreading the word about my friend Chad's movie coming out in February 2020. I think it's going to be amazing. I can't wait to see it. And if you like your news about racism, bigotry, and inequality in America, served with a side order of integrity and truth, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I have 2 nights a week that I do live shows. That's Tuesday and Wednesdays at 9 Eastern. I hope to see you there. I would love it.